Welcome everybody. Thank you for coming out. This is a big day for us that have been working on this project for a little over a year. The goal in doing this was really to prove that we can safely deliver medication and medical supplies across a rural market in the Commonwealth of Virginia. The flights here to Tangier that we've done over the last few months are really the culmination of the stage one to show proof of concept. We've been able to prove that securely we can fly medications and medical supplies across our rural market.
One day I walked into Best Buy and I realized that there was a drone sitting on the shelf that had more technology on it than the space shuttle. And I knew that day that drones were going to fundamentally change the way we live, for the positive or for the negative. And we're going to start a company that makes sure it's for the positive. That was the core reason we started the company. And now today it's kind of emotional for me because this is exactly one of the fundamental applications that I had hoped we would one day be able to achieve. But today we're doing it.